Sewell, obsessed with service since 1911.
This is a 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche. It has a 5.3-liter, 8-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include cruise control, steering wheel controls, a keyless entry system, XM satellite radio, a leather interior, trailer wiring, tinted glass, a low tire pressure indicator, a stability control system, and this vehicle has fewer than 61,000 miles on the odometer. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Now that you've seen the car of your dreams, come see the dealer of your dreams. Sewell. Service, sales, and efficiency so obsessive, you'll want to pinch yourself.